Hola, Jaleesa here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I was so excited to take you guys along with me on my first trip to LA. I hope you enjoy the ride. Please keep in mind that this video is previously recorded way before masks were necessary. Enjoy!
Hey, 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 hey. Happy birthday.
Thank
How you
you.
feel?
Sneezy.
Sneezy? That's all? That's
I feel
all?
good, and I'm ready to eat cake, so
Ready to eat cake?
look at the strawberries.
The strawberries look good. Who made that?
Me.
You?
Me.
She made the strawberries. It looks good. Yo, look at fucking I'm done packing everything. It's your birthday. You can't Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you.
My birthday. Here. Squat. Hey. We out here. Hey, baby. Hey, biz. Where's my Amy at? Hey, Amy. We're gonna head to the garment district, get some fabrics. Probably won't get no fabrics, but I'm gonna look at some fabrics, see what it's about out here. I'm excited to be out here.
Wigs today.
This is a good spot to like get your backdrops. Like you can literally just go to your fabric. You can tape it up on your wall. You can get some type of, I don't know, clothing rack to hold up your clothes. I mean, not hold up your clothes, hold up the backdrop. You don't need that much because your camera is only going to get like so much of that shot. You can literally just probably use duct tape or painter's tape and stick it up there, whatever you choose. But there's lots of different things that you can use. I saw this at first and was like, oh my god, I love it. But then I saw the white and it gives off this luxury. Like, and the blue, and we're in LA. So the blue and white, Nipsey blue. Not exactly Nipsey blue, but Nipsey blue. The sewing machine table. They teach class. They do the same thing in New York. I didn't know that they did it here too. That's the main reason I wanted to get out here, is because I wanted to see like what's the difference between the mood here in LA and the mood in New York, and they both have that distinctive smell that's very strong. If you ever been to the mood in New York, you know what this one in LA smells like. The options as far as fabrics and what you can choose, let's say, is not a better fabric, so in my opinion. for. Needed to see Nipsey. My friends wanted to see it. It was something important for me. See that LA sign. And it's actually sunny. I forgot to bring my sunglasses. Pressed up lip. Back to our Airbnb we go. I needed to catch up on some beauty sleep before getting dressed for my birthday dinner.
It's our motherfucking birthday. Hey.
Don't be stressing about none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' talk.
We lit.
Cause he miss me. I told him, it's your birthday.
By the way, if you're visiting West Hollywood, check out Granville. The food is amazing and so is the service.
see you later. Oh, that's the nigga with the fake. Why you busting in my face? Stay in your place.
Robin Wallace man's watching.
My nails aren't done. Not really.
Feeling good.
You don't need to say something.
Let's bring some cologne over here.
The only thing I like in here, I mean, that's crazy to me, is that jacket, which I can make.
That was a men's jacket.
Yeah.
I thought it was for women.
No, it was for men. That's why I was like, look at for you. Like, if I was to get like a black or navy jacket, I could make that. Splash some bleach on it and rip it up. I could.
Can you do it?
You want to? I'll do it for you.
Yeah. Finesse me, son.
I like that.
Look at the top of it.
I don't really like the top, but this is cool and different. I like it.
See what the price is. $150.
This is expensive.
Let's get it.
I would rather got sneakers, but the selection is not that
They're playing a lot of New York artists.
I like that jacket. I like that.
What do you think about the jacket?
I think it's fire. I want to wear it, but I'm a tomboy at heart, so that's why I'm in love with it.
What do you like about it?
Like the details on it, all the clean lines. They got raw edges going on. They got the Velcro or hook and loop because Velcro is patented, so we can't even use that. So I'm here in LA. My stay has been great. We went to so many different places. We have so many more places on the list that we need to go. I'm so excited. It's kind of misty out here, which is nasty, but whatever. You make it work, right? I'm having a good time. Thanks for watching, and as always, please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to hit that bell, baby, so that you will be notified for the second half of this video. Bye-bye!